Behold the grandeur of Istanbul, where East meets West in a dance of cultures. Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents, has a spirit like no other. It's a vibrant fusion of the past and the present, embodying the essence of both Europe and Asia. This city, steeped in history, is a living testament to the rise and fall of empires. The Byzantines, the Romans, and the Ottomans have all left their mark, contributing to the rich tapestry that is Istanbul. And it's not just in the history books. You can see it, feel it, and breathe it in the air. It's in the ancient walls of the city, the cobblestone streets, and the awe-inspiring architecture. Take the Hagia Sophia, for instance. This architectural marvel has stood the test of time, serving as a cathedral, a mosque, and now a museum. It's an emblem of Istanbul's cultural diversity and resilience. From the awe-inspiring domed ceiling to the intricate mosaics, every inch of the Hagia Sophia tells a story of a city that's seen it all and still stands tall. Not far from the Hagia Sophia is the Blue Mosque, another testament to Istanbul's architectural prowess. With its 6 minarets piercing the sky and thousands of Iznik tiles adorning the interior, the Blue Mosque is a sight to behold. It's not just a religious site, it's a work of art, a symbol of Istanbul's deep-rooted Islamic heritage and its commitment to beauty and craftsmanship. And then there's the Bosporus Strait, the lifeblood of Istanbul. This strait not only physically divides the city into two continents, but also serves as a metaphor for Istanbul's unique cultural blend. It's a bustling waterway, teeming with ferries, cargo ships, and yachts, offering spectacular views of the city's skyline. Every corner of Istanbul is a feast for the senses. From the bustling Grand Bazaar to the aromatic spice market, from the rhythmic call to prayer to the tantalizing street food, Istanbul is a city that demands to be experienced. Istanbul, a city that never sleeps, always leaves an indelible mark on its visitors. It's not just a city, it's a feeling, a memory, an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Now, soar towards the turquoise coast and meet Antalya, a city echoing with ancient history. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Turkey, this city is a harmonious blend of sun-kissed beaches and centuries-old architecture. Let's take a moment to appreciate Antalya's stunning beaches. These patches of paradise are where the turquoise blue of the Mediterranean Sea kisses the fine golden sands. The crystal-clear waters make it a perfect spot for swimming and sunbathing. But these beaches aren't just about sun and surf. They are a testament to Antalya's ability to preserve its natural beauty amidst modernity. Next, let's wander over to the Roman-era harbour. This historical gem is a romantic reminder of Antalya's past. Once a bustling trade centre, it's now home to yachts and tour boats, ready to whisk you away on a maritime adventure. This harbour is more than just a docking site, it's a window to Antalya's rich maritime history. Now, let's step into the narrow, winding streets of Kalechi, the beautifully preserved Old City district. With its red-roofed Ottoman houses and ancient Roman walls, Kalechi is a journey back in time. It's a place where every stone and every corner has a story to tell, a narrative of civilizations that have passed through and left their indelible mark. But don't be fooled into thinking that Antalya is stuck in the past. As night falls, the city comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. From pulsating nightclubs to laid-back beach bars, Antalya knows how to celebrate the night. And of course, no visit to Antalya would be complete without indulging in its delicious cuisine. From fresh seafood to traditional Turkish dishes, the city offers a gastronomic journey that's as diverse and vibrant as its landscapes. Antalya, a blend of the old and new, is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. This city, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, vibrant nightlife, and mouth-watering cuisine, is a testament to Turkey's ability to balance tradition and modernity. So, when you take to the skies to explore Turkey, make sure Antalya is on your list. Let's drift to Cappadocia, a dreamy slice of Turkey, known for its unique moon-like landscape. This region is a geological oddity of honeycombed hills and towering boulders of otherworldly beauty. The whimsical topography is the result of volcanic eruptions that happened millions of years ago, sculpted by time and wind into pillars, cones, mushrooms, and chimneys. The enchanting landscape is dotted with these peculiar fairy chimneys, tall cone-shaped rock formations clustered in Monk's Valley and elsewhere. These aren't your average rock formations, mind you. Some of these have been homes, others churches, and even entire underground cities have been carved into them, an ingenious way of life dating back to the 4th century. Speaking of underground cities, Cappadocia houses some of the most extensive examples in the world. Cities like Derinkuyu and Kaymakli showcase an impressive network of subterranean tunnels and rooms, a testament to the human spirit's resilience and inventiveness. These ancient cities, once a refuge for early Christians, could house thousands of people along with their livestock and food supplies. A marvel indeed. But let's come up for some air, shall we? One of the most magical ways to experience Cappadocia is from the sky. Imagine floating over this mystical landscape in a hot air balloon, the world below waking up to the soft morning light. This popular activity offers a breathtaking view of the landscape, the fairy chimneys jutting out from the pink-hued valleys below, a sight that will etch itself into your memory forever. Cappadocia is not just about the outdoors. The region also offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and tradition. From the pottery workshops of Avanos to the open-air museum in Gorame, there's a wealth of experiences awaiting the curious traveler. Cappadocia, a place that feels more like a dream than reality, is truly a wonder of nature. It's a place where nature and history intertwine, creating a surreal and captivating landscape that begs to be explored. This, dear friends, is Cappadocia, a testament to the magic that happens when the forces of nature converge with human endeavor. Fly over to Ephesus, an ancient city that whispers tales of a glorious past. This city, once a bustling metropolis of the ancient world, is now an archaeological wonder, teeming with well-preserved ruins that stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era. Imagine walking through the marble streets, lined with columns that once held up grand structures. Each stone underfoot, every pillar standing tall, echoes the footsteps of the people who lived, laughed, and loved here thousands of years ago. The city, now silent, was once filled with the hum of daily life, the chatter of marketplaces, the whispers of scholars, and the applause of theatre-goers. Speaking of scholars, let's drift towards the Library of Celsus. This magnificent edifice was not just a repository of scrolls, but a monument to knowledge and learning. It once held thousands of parchments, a treasure trove of wisdom from the classical world. Its facade, still remarkably intact, is a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Ephesians. The library, with its grand entrance and ornate decorations, surely must have been a sight to behold in its heyday. Now, let's shift our gaze to the Grand Theatre. This colossal amphitheatre, with its steeply rising tiers, could accommodate a staggering 25,000 spectators. Imagine the thrill of watching a play here, under the open sky, amidst the cheers and applause of a captivated audience. The Grand Theatre wasn't just a place for entertainment, it was a hub of social and political life, where important civic discussions took place. Ephesus was more than just a city. It was a beacon of culture, commerce, and civilization. It was one of the great cities of the Ionian Greeks in Asia Minor, a major player in the Mediterranean trade, and a significant center of early Christianity. Today, Ephesus is a living museum, a portal to the past, inviting us to step back in time and experience the grandeur of the ancient world. It is a city that truly embodies the spirit of Turkey, a harmonious blend of the old and the new, where history meets modernity. Ephesus, a city frozen in time, is a testament to Turkey's enduring history. As our journey draws to a close, let's revisit the captivating beauty of Turkey. Starting off with the majestic city of Istanbul, we were dazzled by its splendid skyline, where the minarets of Sultan Ahmed Mosque and Hagia Sophia pierce the heavens. A city that straddles two continents, Istanbul is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the rich tapestry of civilizations that have graced its land. Next, we flew over the turquoise waters of Antalya. Nestled on Turkey's southern coast, Antalya is more than just stunning beaches. The city boasts of a rich history stretching back to the Hellenistic period, with remnants of Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman architecture dotting its landscape. Our journey then took us to the rocky landscapes of Cappadocia. A land sculpted by time and elements, Cappadocia is a geological wonderland. The unique rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, and the ancient cave dwellings carved into the soft stone cliffs bear witness to a history that dates back thousands of years. And lastly, we explored the enchanting ruins of Ephesus. Walking through its marble streets, we could almost hear the echoes of the past. Once a bustling metropolis of the ancient world, Ephesus still stands as a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. Each city has its own unique charm, its own story to tell. They are like threads in a tapestry, each contributing to the rich cultural, historical, and natural beauty of Turkey. From the buzzing bazaars of Istanbul to the tranquil beaches of Antalya, from the ethereal landscapes of Cappadocia to the ancient ruins of Ephesus, Turkey offers a plethora of experiences that cater to every taste. Turkey, a land of contrasts and confluences, is a must-visit destination for any culture-curious traveler. From Istanbul to Ephesus, each city is a world in itself, waiting to welcome you.